LinkedIn is a powerful platform ideal for showcasing your professional digital brand. As of 2021, LinkedIn has over 30 million companies and 20 million open job listings on its platform. Plus, over 95% of recruiters use LinkedIn regularly. Hi guys, it's Tiggs here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I get to share with you tips, tools, and cool finds to make life better. This week I want to talk about LinkedIn, how to optimize it, and how to find that dream job. Let's get started. Treat your LinkedIn profile as you would your resume. Let's start at the top. Upload a professional headshot, or if you don't have one, leverage your smartphone device's portrait setting to take a great image, one that showcases you in the best light. Ensure you also upload a background image that is relevant to the industry you're in, or would like to be in. Take time to share a clever headline, one that's relevant to your field. Also take time to write down a job description, much like you would on your resume. Make sure you have all the relevant positions you've held over the course of your career. Highlight any accomplishments, including licenses and certifications you have obtained. So often, we overlook the power of recommendations. Think of when you online shop. Wouldn't you naturally review the ratings of a product or service? So why not leverage this easy way of gathering professional recommendations for yourself? Just go to the LinkedIn profile of the person you're looking to get the recommendation from. Then click the More icon and select Request a Recommendation. It's as easy as that. So now that you've set up your LinkedIn profile and it's looking good, and you're looking for some jobs, all you would have to do is make sure you go on to your homepage, and on the very top right-hand corner, you'll see that there is a banner of different icons that you can leverage. So one in particular is jobs. Click on that and you'll be brought to this specific page, the jobs page. In terms of searching for jobs, it's really simple. All you would have to do is type in the specific title you're looking for. Let's just choose IT manager as an example. And let's choose the city of Toronto. All right, click search, and right away, as soon as you press enter, all of these amazing opportunities are gonna pop up for you. So you can scroll through and you can see all the different companies and when they were actually posted. Sometimes it'll also show you the salary range that's provided. Let's actually dive in a little bit. On the left-hand side, you'll actually see the title of the position, the company that you're applying for, where this position is ultimately going to be serving. If you have any connections, if you have within your LinkedIn network anyone that's connected to you that could help you with an introduction to the hiring manager, which ultimately helps you increase your chances of success, and when it was actually posted. Remember how we spent all that time making sure that your LinkedIn profile was looking really great and you've invested time and energy into it? One other area is around skills. So as you're showcasing your various skill set, maybe it's software programs that you're really proficient in, maybe it's specific leadership skills that you're really good at because you've developed over the years. What you can do is make sure those are all highlighted on your profile. When LinkedIn actually looks at the job criteria, it will cross-match your skills with the actual position itself, and it'll indicate to you if you're a top applicant, which again increases the likelihood of you actually getting the position. So those are things to be aware of. And then the other thing that I wanted to point out is a section called Easy Apply. For any of those positions that are Easy Apply, it's 2 clicks for you to actually go through that process. This particular job search function is an extremely useful tool from LinkedIn that's available for free. So I would highly recommend leveraging this tool in your job search. Hey guys, I hope you found that video to be really helpful in terms of setting up your LinkedIn and finding the job of your dreams, leveraging the LinkedIn platform. If you found the video to be helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to helping you next time. Take care.